Welcome to the Silk Walk Studio. So we are doing a sale with the response of our lovely people on Instagram, because a lot of you all opted for a sale. So I think we are closing all of the sale with today. The procedure to book these sarees are through WhatsApp. We do have them on the website, but they are not mentioned with the sale prices. So please book them via our WhatsApp number 7676025364. You can also message us on Instagram to book these sarees.
Ramya says hi.
Hi Ramya, welcome. Also, the booking will be on first come first serve. That is not just the first come, but the person who pays first. So please don't get disappointed if you do not pay. If you say just book the sari and leave it, we would not book the sari for you.
Steffi says hi Akka. Can you show
Hi.
the sari's blouse?
This sari's blouse.
Yeah.
This the sari that I am wearing has a running blouse like what it is, okay? Like how it's in the same pink shade, so it does not have a contrast blouse.
Shruti says hi dear. I
Hi
love your
Shruti,
collection always.
thank you. Thank you Shruti. Thank you for joining.
Sindhuja says hello.
Hi Sindhuja.
Shalini says hi Joanna. Very
Hi.
good evening.
Hi, good evening. So as I mentioned, all of these sarees we have reduced the price to 1500. We also have a few sarees which are a little above 1500, but we have tried to keep our best below 2000 rupees. So we have sarees for 1500 also, and just a few sarees which are a little above 1500.
Kalei says hi Joanna.
Hi Kalai.
Spurti says hi Joanna.
Hi Spurti, welcome. So yeah, since many of you all were asking for the sale, we are doing the sale, and as I told you, the sale ends today. Even on our website, we have a sale running. As I mentioned yesterday, shop for 10,000 rupees, get a flat 2,000 rupees off, and shop for 20,000 rupees and get a flat 5,000 rupees off. Yeah.
I Speak My Mind says hi.
Hi.
Deepika says hi.
Hi guys.
Shweta says hi ma'am. Looking pretty in
Hi.
pink.
Thank you. Thank you.
Peek to My Kitchen says hello.
Hi.
Deepa says hi.
Hi Deepa. Hi
I-
guys.
I Speak My Mind says lovely earrings.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Okay, so shall we start? We have just a few sarees, so stay and watch. Okay, so the ones that I'm going to show you are sarees which are very similar to what I'm wearing. They are priced at 1500 is the price.
Jyoti says hi Joe.
Hi.
I
Jyoti.
paid for grey blue sari that was showed in live yesterday. Can you confirm?
Jyoti. I have to check Jyoti. I don't remember. Let me check and come back to you. Just message me. Leave a message on a WhatsApp number. I'll let you know.
Ramona says hello Joanna.
Hi ma'am. Hi Ramona ma'am. So we are with jute linen sarees. Very good for summer. So, and they are very easy drape. Okay, weightless. They are going to give you that very elegant sort of a look. So we have brought in a very beautiful color. This is in a lighter lime green shade. It comes with a pallu like this. All of these sarees have blouses attached, and as I told you, price is 1500.
Peek to My Kitchen says excited for the collection today.
Thank you, thank you. I'm sure you will love them. Okay, so this one is priced at, most of them are linen cotton sarees. So this one is priced at 1250. It's a yellow and a blue shade.
Steffi says nice sari.
Thank you, Steffi. Steffi Raj.
No. Someone else.
Okay. So yellow and a blue. Nalarkla, super. It's a beautiful sari and price is 1250. Shipping cost will be additional. That's the blouse. Few of them are jute linens, few of them are linens, and few of them I have not shown them or updated on my website. So it was just lying around. So this one is priced at 1750.
It's Steffi and Anthony.
Okay, Steffi and Anthony.
Can you repeat the price?
This one is priced at 1750.
The previous one?
1250. The yellow one was at 1250. So it's a linen sari, thread linen. We call it as a thread linen because there is a full thread work over the body. That's the pallu. Nalla color, wine color. That's the blouse. So I would suggest you to go for contrast blouses. Play well with the blouses for these saris, because when if the blouse fabric is still attached with the sari, you have enough of the pleats. If somebody is little heavy, then you will have enough pleats. Yeah.
Can you show any pastel color in these model?
Not in this model, but I have some pastel colors. It's coming up. So these are priced at 1750.
Shobha says nice.
Thank you, Shobha.
Priya says lovely collection.
Thank you. Blouse. Sorry, pallu.
Daisy says, can you show some banana fiber saris next time?
Next time we'll bring, okay? It will take another 1 month or so. So 1750 is the price of this sari that I'm showing you. This is in a nice orange. Superana sari. Beautiful color. Full thread work. Pallu.
Can you
Blouse.
show some soft silk saris at the range 10,000 to 15,000?
So all are soft silks. So all our soft silks are available on our website. You can check them. It's the website address is thesilkworkstudio.com. www.thesilkworkstudio.com. Okay, check under pure silk or go to the exclusive section and then check. If you are very specific with the price, like 10,000 rupees, then you can check under the exclusives category. Okay, so this one is a digital print casual sari priced at 1,500. It was priced at 2,500. Now it is available for 1,500. It has a beautiful zari on the border.
Priya says, need some Chinnalam Pattu saris live session.
Yeah, we'll do Chinnalam Pattu very soon. So as I told you, it has a beautiful copper zari on both sides. Okay, it's like a bronzy shade. That's the pallu. Comes with a blouse. All these are semi-silk, or what do I say, synthetic saris, and they are good enough for hand wash, easy maintenance. So these saris were priced at 2,500. Now it is available for 1,500. I have one more sari of the same type, same fabric. Okay. A lot of people would prefer such saris because it's very easy to drape, very flowy, easy maintenance.
Do you have silver color sari in this model?
That's the pallu. I have silver zari. That's the blouse. 1,500. It was priced at 2,500. Now at 1,500. Okay, again a few jute linen saris. So this sari was priced at 2,650. Now available for 1,950. Very similar to what I'm wearing, but has a good jute work on the body. It has a tissue border also in gold. Again, one wine shade. That's the pallu. That's the blouse. Okay, 1,950 is the price. Black sari, 1,950 again. So it's a beautiful sari. black with temple work on the borders. Okay, it has golden sequins work on the body.
Ramona says this one is booked for me.
Yes,
I
Ramona
think
ma'am. I think the
previous one.
wine one, yeah. So this is the pallu. That's the blouse.
Can you please show some plain blue shade soft silk sari ranges between 1500 and 2500?
Plain soft silk.
Plain blue shade soft silk saris.
Pure silk you will not get in that range. Soft silk, blue color semi silk you might get, but you will have to wait. Now it is not available. Okay, so this one was priced at 2750, now available for 2300. It's a yellow color shade sari. Barahana sari. Soft cotton. So this sari has checks on the border, so when you are just eating it, it's going to look like this. Has a beautiful border in pink. That's the pallu. Okay, 2350 is the price. It was priced at 2850. Now it's available for 2350. So this sari, it was priced at 1850. Now available for 1500. This one is also a beautiful pick. Very pretty sari.
Archana says hi.
Hi Archana.
Please show some semi saris.
Semi. Yeah, we'll soon bring, okay? Okay, so again a beautiful sari in yellow.
Archana
Peach.
says good color.
Thank you.
Semi
Very
silk
pretty.
sari.
The sari is very pretty. 1500. Sariana rated. Take it.
Semi silk sari.
Yeah, we'll bring next time. Okay, so now we have a few Kora silk cotton saris which were priced at 2350, now available for 1850. All of this is clearance. Spurti, the one that you took, we have a different shade. It's in a peach shade, peach and a pink shade. Beautiful sari with silver zari borders. That's the pallu. That's the blouse. It comes with a brocade blouse.
Priyanka says hello.
Hi Priyanka, thank you for joining. Okay, so the next one, it's in the same color but it has a border. Okay, so this sari was priced at 2350, now available for 1850.
Joanna, please do Mangalagiris too. Love your collection.
Thank you. Mangalagiris, yeah, let's do it soon.
Meena says hi.
Hi Meena.
Lakshmi says hello.
Thank you for joining. So this is how the sari would look. So it's in a peach color with a beige or a sandal color border. That's the pallu.
Ramona says yes, this is beautiful.
Yes, thank you. That's the blouse. I think the previous one. This is the blouse. Beautiful sari again. 1850 is the price. It has borders. So in a different color. The previous one has
Madhu says
silver
your
zari
sari
border.
is beautiful, Joanna.
Thank you, Madhu. Thank you. So we have one more sari again. This is one pretty shade in a, it's sort of a blue grey shade.
Which section in the site will the saris be loaded? I loved the red sari yesterday but couldn't find in the store.
Yeah, I think I mentioned in yesterday's live itself that yesterday's sari are still not put up on the website because we have a sale on the website. So if those saris are added, those saris will also come under the sale section. So we haven't added. Those saris are still priced in whatever price we have mentioned. Okay, so that is the reason. You can message us on our WhatsApp number to book those saris. We'll be uploading them on the website tomorrow. If still you want, if you're looking for the saris that we posted yesterday, the ones that are left over will be uploaded tomorrow.
Daisy says your collections are very classy and unique.
Thank you.
Is the sari you're wearing for sale?
Yes, it is available for sale. So this is in a blue grey shade, very pretty shade with a sandal color border, very different and unique. That's the pallu. comes with a blouse. 1850 is the price. So we have one last one available for 1500. 1500 is the price. Kora silk cotton, green with silver zari work all over. So that's the sari. It has round buttas all over. That's the pallu. That's the blouse. Okay, 1500 is the price. Beautiful shade. If you're looking for one, please pick up. So all the sarees that I showed you are very apt for the summer season, very apt for gifting, and very good if you like something. It's very good to take it for yourself also.
Can you repeat the price again?
The last one was at 1500. So please do message us on our WhatsApp number 7676025364. You can book them on the website, but they are not available on the sale price if you are booking them on the website. Okay. So you can do a bank transfer, you can do a Google Pay or a Paytm. So please check with us whichever you're comfortable and let us know. Any questions?
Kalai says this green is booked for me.
Okay, Kalai.
Deepika says this is beautiful.
Thank you, Deepika.
Pradeep also said booked for me.
Do you have multiple pieces?
No. In all of these sarees, we have single pieces. So as I told you, we are booking them on first come first served. Please do WhatsApp us on our WhatsApp number 7676025364. So wish you all a very happy weekend. Stay safe, stay indoors. Bye bye.